Hi, if you're a manager or a business leader today, chances are that you have been thinking about how artificial intelligence is going to impact your line of work, your organization, and your role within your organization. Many business leaders and managers are now expected to make critical decisions about AI adoption, implementation, and monitoring. The problem is not a lack of tools, it's often a lack of clarity. Many managers and business leaders do not have a clear understanding of what AI can and cannot do, what are some of the tools that you can use, when to trust vendors and when not to trust vendors, what are some of the safety and governance obligations that you need to be aware of, are there any local laws applicable to your particular use case, what are some of the tools and frameworks you can use to measure the success and return on investment for your project. The result is often lost investments, failed implementations, and in some cases, serious governance failures. The good news for you is that you do not need to become an AI engineer to be successful in your role and achieve all these goals. This is exactly why we created this course. We want to help busy leaders like yourself develop a fundamental level of understanding for what artificial intelligence can and cannot do, what are some of the capabilities, what are some of the risks, and what are some of the global frameworks that you need to be aware of. We want to go beyond the buzzwords and the hype cycle, and we want to talk about actual implementation, actual risks, and actual governance frameworks. Although the course is built upon technical foundations, the course itself is not technical in nature. During our sessions, we first focus on the basics of artificial intelligence. What are some of the key terms and terminologies? What are people talking about? What is the latest sort of news and what's going on in the landscape? We will talk about what are some of the real limits and risks related to artificial intelligence, case studies that are cited as failures of artificial intelligence. What are some of the low-code or no-code tools that you could maybe implement or adopt in your organization to get a quick feel for whether you're ready? How do you even assess if your organization is ready for AI deployment or no? Although artificial intelligence is an extremely powerful technology, it still cannot solve all kinds of problems. And so we then go into what are some of the common problem types that artificial intelligence can help you with in your organization. Overall, the goal of our sessions is to help you feel comfortable in navigating the world of artificial intelligence in commercial contexts. But hey, you might ask, who am I and why you should be listening to me? And I'm very happy to answer that. My name is Junaid Aziz, and over the past 8 years, I've helped over 7,000 business leaders and professionals in their AI development journey. I have mentored over 100 different startups across all funding stages, ranging from seed all the way up to publicly listed companies. In my previous role, I managed a portfolio of AI and technology investments at Abu Dhabi Investment Office. My work at Abu Dhabi Investment Office was primarily focused on innovation, AI, and technology-led value creation, and it gave me a deep understanding of why some projects fail and others succeed. I've also led the technology due diligence for deals valued at over $500 million. I've previously worked as a full-time software developer where I worked on developing mobile applications for government platforms. That gave me a deep understanding of technical architecture, how technical systems are made, and how they operate. Having this experience allows me to combine deep technical expertise with commercial considerations and corporate development. So if you are someone who is looking to get into the world of artificial intelligence without getting stuck in the technical complexity and the technical jargon, feel free to reach out and we would be happy to get back and explore how is it that we can support your journey together. Thank you.